Hello everybody and welcome to English Grammar with Ameya sir. It is revision time and the topic for today is a writing skill topic and it is the speech writing. Now the way we will do or rather make it interesting is we'll do it as a fill in the blank thing. So this is the speech that I have in my mind. The topic is importance of healthy life. You have the options at the top. So you just have to make sure that you fill in those blanks using those options properly. Be honest about it. I'm saying, guys, be honest about it. Okay, I'll bring that image again. Be honest about it. Pause the video. Okay, so here you go. This is what you have to do. Pause the video, and I hope that you had paused the video because now I am going to reveal the answers, and here are the answers. By the way, please be honest and leave your score. But before we end this, let me just read this. This will be a very interesting thing. Okay, practice your reading skills as well. So let me do it. Respected chief guest, honorable principal, teachers, and my dear friends. It is an honor bestowed upon me today to speak on the importance of healthy life. We all know that health is wealth, but how many of us practice this? I am sure not many of us. We must count our blessings and see to it that we continue to keep our health good. Being sad, depressed, and under stress leads to various types of diseases. This will not help us to lead a good, happy, and creative life. We must not forget that laughter is the best medicine. Hence, we must see to it that there is plenty of laughter in our lives. To keep healthy, my dear friends, we must see to it that we eat wholesome food. We must include plenty of vegetables and fruits in our diet. Though many of us present may not like vegetables, we must see to it that we don't omit vegetables from our regular diet. This brings to the mind the proverb, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. My dear friends, I am not going to take any more of your precious time. I must end by reminding you that a healthy life is very important. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity. I hope you enjoyed that, guys, and I hope you got full marks. You got them all correct. Please leave your score and comments. We will meet again real soon. Take care.